Welcome to the Data Strategist channel. My name is Stuart, and today I would like to discuss a topic that has been prevalent in quite a lot of conversations in light of things like ChatGPT or OpenAI, and that is, will AI take your job in 2023? So just jump right into it. Artificial intelligence, AI, is already transforming the workplace, and some experts predict quite wildly that it will cause disruption in the labour market coming into 2030. Now, if we take a look at what McKinsey Global Institute said, it's up to 800 million jobs worldwide that could be replaced by 2030. That's a crazy amount of people that are going to be replaced by automation with potentially no other job out there for them. But the reality is not all jobs are automatable at this moment in time, and that is a fact. What AI lacks is sort of that emotional intelligence or that human intuition. That's not to say that it won't come, but what I am saying is right now in 2023, that is not a possibility at the moment. But what we are going to see in the immediate future is routine and repetitive tasks become automated. This is down to things like OpenAI and ChatGPT and the way that they are able to fully integrate into applications and into systems and into our working days, that they will just automate these sort of routine and really repetitive tasks. Now, AI itself has already been used in lots of industries already to varying degrees. So from your healthcare, your finance, your transportation, your manufacturing. But what we're really going to see now over the next few years is a wider adoption of AI technologies, and in particular, the natural language processing. Now, who's at risk with that? Those jobs that involve sort of manual labor tasks, such as your manufacturing and really your administration type roles, are particularly at risk of automation, such as your data entry, your bookkeeping, your basic data analysis. These can all be automated with the help of machine learning algorithms. But a good example that I'd like to give you is a AI powered chatbot and virtual assistant. What that's going to do is completely negate the fact that we have contact centers. Our demographic, our way of life now doesn't really involve us picking up the phone and waiting for hours to listen to just get through to somebody. The power of AI and using chatbots will feel like you're talking to a normal person, and they'll just completely negate the need to have a contact center staff. And the question that we've got to ask ourselves, or businesses have to ask ourselves, or leaders, is do we look to capitalize and make larger profit, or will they look to reutilize their workforce for other customer activities? That's a big question, and that's a morality question that we have to ask ourselves. Again, as leaders, how do we remove one job type but create the other? How do we create further opportunities for our staff and our customers through automation? But on the flip side of that, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, interpersonal skills such as your marketing or your design or your social care, your healthcare, your doctors, etc., they're less likely to be automated at this point because they require that human intuition or that emotional intelligence, which at the moment, like I said before, we're not currently able to replicate. But you have to ask yourself this: what steps can you take, or I take, to future proof your career? And the first one is don't panic. There is opportunity. There are several steps you can take to future proof your career. One of the most important things that you can do is learn new skills that are high demand in this digital and automation age, such as your coding, your data analysis, your more in-depth data analysis, digital marketing. These are the sort of skills that are essential for many jobs in the future, but they can also open new career opportunities for you. And what AI is doing is allowing you an easier route into these markets and these industries and sort of career paths. Another thing you can do is try and stay up to date with all the latest trends and developments in your own industry. Attend conferences, read industry publications, network with other professionals in the field that you work in. That's going to help you stay ahead of the curve. And when automation comes, you're going to be in the best position and be a valuable asset to your employer to be able to say, look, this is how we can utilize automation and use it for the benefit of our customers and our business. Now, keep in mind that you have to be adaptable and willing to learn new things. The job market is constantly evolving, and there are new skills that are in demand today that may not be relevant in a few years. So be open minded and flexible. You'll be better equipped to sort of guide yourself through this market and thrive in this age of automation. So, in conclusion, AI is definitely going to change the way that we work. It's going to transform the workplace, but it's not all doom and gloom. There's lots of opportunities out there that when we automate something, it opens the door for something else. And AI also opens the door for you to learn new skills. So things like coding are more accessible to anybody these days because it's a lot easier. You can have your own personal tutor with the likes of Copilot, ChatGPT. They can help you code and learn the way that you want to. So these skills are going to be needed, and the AI is actually going to help you get those skills. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's very short, I know. It's kind of just the first one back after a little hiatus I've had of not doing videos. But I'm going to just start to build this back up again, get a few more videos in. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to making more. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.